Oh yeah. Hurry up, kiddies, there's a human. Hurry up, get out of there, run. So many visions for this property. My head is spinning, literally. But that's pretty cool right there. What are you doing, Mama? Yeah, it's moving along. It's been a process, but when I look back 5 years from now and we got a beautiful, beautiful place in Missouri, lots more freedoms, and then I'll say I'm glad I did it. But right now it's kind of like, get off my lawn. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got an update on the tractor. Overall, it's good news. So it was a fuel issue. Kind of weird, but I'll explain it. So one of the fuel lines was almost all the way clogged. It had seeds in there and debris. I know what happened. When I was bush hogging time before last, the cap vibrated off. I remember putting it on because I remember fueling it up, and I put it on. And I was all the way at the end of the driveway, and I realized I had gotten out to look at something, hazards, and I saw the cap was off. I'm like, oh man. And there was a lot of debris in there, but there's a screen in there just inside the fuel tank. So I figured I was good. So I stuffed the glove in there for the time being, went and bought 2 caps in case it happens again. And it ran fine for a while. But then all of a sudden I started having the fuel issues. The only part I asked the guy, I said, well, how can it run a regen at full RPM if it has a fuel issue? And he was saying probably because it sucks more fuel when you got a load on the engine. So, like when you turn the PTO on and it puts a load on the engine. So I guess the regen, even though it's at full RPMs, doesn't have a load on the engine, which that might be true. It's just trying to get that system hot. So that was real good news. Shout out to whoever put in the comments to call Rosebud Tractor. So glad it wasn't a sensor or a $3,000 wire harness. Curtis had that issue. $340. They cleaned the tank, cleaned the lines out, checked the filters. I had put a new filter on, but they said it was still good, obviously. So that's all good. I'm gonna go pick it up this weekend, but that's good news. Looking forward to getting back going on Missouri. Right now I'm on my way back. Should be there in a few hours. Oh boy, one more trip down. Still got quite a few to go, but we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, I love my beach. I get my sun. Vitamin D through the skin is different than taking pills. Oh, wow, a lot going on, but I got my chair here, so I'll lay on the beach for, an hour or so at the end of the day. But I'll sit in my chair and get sun on the front. I'm gonna miss this place, there ain't no doubt. I mean, that's beautiful. There's no doubt. But I'm looking ahead 5, 6, 8, 10 years. That's what the plan is. Freedom, more freedom. I can hopefully kind of replicate this. We'll see what happens. We do have a contract, but hey, we got a contract, so I'm very, very happy about that. Let's get a little sunshine. I can't forget this chair. This is one of them big fiberglass chairs. It's heavy duty. Sharon got these, it can withstand the sun and all that, so good deal. All right, I'm gonna sit in here, enjoy the evening sun, and tomorrow I'm on my way back to Missouri. All right, so I'm on one of my trips back to load stuff, and Sharon made me some spaghetti dinners for the next couple of nights. The house is kind of empty, but we got a lot left to go. But these dinners are wonderful, but It's not easy. I'm just gonna say we're moving, 2 decades worth of life, but a simple heated meal feels good. So we got these little mini fridges, and anyways, the hot tub's still going, which is gonna stay with the house because they kind of want to buy it, but it is what it is. I mean, we'll take it one step at a time. That's how you got to do it. You got to break it down into small chunks. Creature comforts as much as you can, I guess, one step at a time. All right, so not only did she plan ahead, but in the freezer, she left condiments. So in this case, from spaghetti, oh yes, we got some Parmesan. So going in the hot tub, because we're gonna sell the hot tub with the house. Might be my last sit, you never know, but one day at a time. One mission at a time. Thanks, baby. Oh, we got some rain coming down, but the hot tub is warm. I'll take it. Oh, here comes lightning. I'm not looking forward to tomorrow. I gotta box up stuff. I gotta load the truck and trailer, but I'll enjoy this evening for now. Oh, downpour. So this will change what I can load on my trailer tomorrow if storms are coming, because it's got to be waterproof, basically, what I load on the trailer. We'll see what the morning brings. They got some good eyes, turkeys. Them are newbies, teenagers. All right, I'm getting close to wrapping it up for today. I'm gonna run up to the barn. It is brutally hot. I'm gonna run up and get your pressure washer, and then these 2 ladders. I presume this stuff is garbage that you had in the corner here. Feels like I didn't even make a dent, to be honest. I'm gonna tell you what, man, the heat index is 100 right now, and I'm working on, started with Sharon's shop and then mine, and it is hot, and I feel like I'm not even denting things. It's almost like, dang it, man, maybe I should have ponied up 5 more thousand, but for the movers. But I'm almost full for this trip, and then I'll be heading back to Missouri. So here's where I'm at with the barn. That's staying until we have, we'll know the house is sold for sure. Thinning it out, we got a U-Haul coming. We're just gonna do it on our own. 26 footer, and then Sharon's gonna drive in tandem with that trailer I'm loading up now. Yeah, it's moving along. It's been a process, but when I look back 5 years from now and we got a beautiful, beautiful place in Missouri, lots more freedoms, and then I'll say I'm glad I did it. But right now it's kind of like, get off my lawn. But hey, it is what it is, man. You gotta do what you gotta do, because freedom ain't free. I bet not too many people remember these. These are some of my shooting targets. I got a bunch of AR steel. I even welded some up so they'll swing when I clang them. I guarantee, if I don't die early, I'm gonna get some targets up in Missouri and start playing again. Only long time channel members will remember that. That's back when they, our channel pretty much wrecked it, our main channel, because they didn't like some of the stuff we had, even though we're never violated any laws. Anyways, yeah, next road trip on. Hey kitties, oh look, we got a fawn. About time to go on the beach. Still in Illinois, back and forth. There's my view right now. We created this. This is our beautiful pond, sunset, Beautiful, beautiful evening. You can create your own with vision, perseverance, and tenacity. This is my view right now. I am investing in that pond, in this land, in these trees, in that home, because it's peaceful, it's quiet. I get away from city, goers. I get away from crime. It's a lot to take in. It's kind of risky in some ways, but I would never ever have it any other way. What are you doing, Mama? Oh yeah. Hurry up, kitties, there's a human. Hurry up, get out of there, run. Run, little ones, hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on, the last one. Come on, get out of there. Oh, that evil human, you never know. Oh, yes, we made it to Fangorn Forest. It's a good evening for the raccoon family. I made it to Missouri with the next load. This is all Sharon's shop stuff and my shop stuff, and it's gonna start going on these shelves that are still open, and then the overflow is gonna just be stacked on the floor. That's a whole nother story. It's all winter wheat, getting ready for fall food plotting. That's 10,000 pounds worth right there. Anyways, back to, let's get this offloaded, and I think I got someone coming to pick up some of that here soon. All right, these bonus shelves really came in handy. Sharon came and helped. It was a lot easier offloading. Thank goodness, but I mean, soaked in sweat. It's hot, still in the 90s, but another load dropped off. Okay, so remember the first couple walkthroughs, he had a big stack of ammo up here. Well, there's my ammo, or at least part of it. I got more yet, still waiting, but living room looks a little bit different, don't it? Good to be back to the Missouri home. All right, I'm selling some of that wheat. I got our first customer coming. Got to go drive down to the gate and meet them and let them in. All right, got one customer came and went. Now the next one's coming in the gate. You do what you got to do to succeed. Checking my cameras, the 3 or 4 that I do have out, and there was a bunch of turkeys up in this field here. As you can see, I obviously smoked this off to prepare it for fall. This is just a tiny little ridge top micro plot. Let's pull these cards and see if we got anything good coming. Oh, I'm laying on the grass. Look, we got some visitors. I'm getting my evening sun. Nice. Looks like we got a little Bucky Jr. on the left. I think it's July 28th or 29th. Look at Mama. She's like, hey, what are you doing in my green patch here, your lawn, in other words. Nice. Oh, I got so many visions for this property. My head is spinning, literally. But that's pretty cool right there. What are you doing, Mama? So look, how close do you think she's gonna come to me? I'm laying out
for sun right now. I'm literally laying out and she's listening to me chat. Ow, I'm getting bit by a bug. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, she saw me move. Oh, dang it. All right, there they go. Ow! Oh, we got the gnats or something out here. Who's the little bucky over there? That's a 1.5 years old. Nice. Oh, these gnats are bad right at dark. Dang it. Okay, that was kind of cool. All right.